All right, welcome to Creator Hardware. Today we're talking about, well, 5 tips to speed up your editing. All right, let's first talk memory cards. Now, tip for editing. You're like, what? First things first, obviously you need to get a memory card that is capable of recording at the bitrate of your camera, yada, yada, yada. But the other thing that's important is transfer speeds, but it is 150 megabytes per second. I got this free with a camera or something. The ones I normally record on my Sony cameras are SanDisks, and they are 170 megabits per second. This one is 250 megabytes per second. Now, why is that important? While you're transferring data from your camera to your PC, you don't want bottlenecks. You want that done as quickly as possible so you can get to editing. Sitting around waiting for a taskbar to finish sucks. Because while you can look at email or Twitter or Instagram, you can't do any editing. So you've got a high-speed card reader. This is USB-C, this is by Anchor. I've got another one, my wife has it, but high transfer speeds. Sitting there waiting for transfers sucks. You can't get onto editing. You can't get doing what you're supposed to be doing. So get a high-speed memory card reader. Simple, but believe me, a slow memory card reader just sucks. It takes so long, especially on larger files. You're just sitting there watching a taskbar. You can't start editing until it's transferred. Now my Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 6K, it's a T5 drive, transfers ungodly fast, even though the file sizes are massive on that camera. But my point is, get past that stuff and get to editing. Now the next tip is all about learning your software. If you use Adobe, learn your keyboard shortcuts. So many of those will save you so much time. It seems like, oh, I'm just doing that. But shortcut versus right click, click on that, find it, learn your keyboard shortcuts. So much time is saved just with those little tips. Just using those keyboard shortcuts will cut down a lot of your editing time. Learning your software, knowing where everything is, knowing those shortcuts saves so much time. It is immeasurable because I've been doing it so long, I can't think of any way other to do than shortcuts. Now let's talk batch editing. Now what I normally do in this channel and my other channel is I batch edit. So I will sit down, edit a video, pull out my thumbnail, and while it's uploading to YouTube, I will do my thumbnail and I will start on the next video and I will continue that. Usually my bottleneck is, well, YouTube. I can't keep uploading videos if it's still processing the first video, but think about that. Multitask as much as you can. You know, a lot of times with this computer, may not be able to do it on your computer, but while my video is rendering, I'm already working on my thumbnail. Now, I can do it on this computer. That computer gets a little tukey. My laptop, no. No, all I'm doing is rendering on that one. But my point is, if you can, start multitasking. If you're batch editing, get them going, keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. There's no reason to stop editing just because you're waiting for YouTube to finish processing your first video, your second video. Just keep on working. My last tip, take breaks. I know, for me, it's the weekend. I want to get my stuff done. But if you don't take breaks, it's easy to miss things. When I get in a rush trying to get stuff done in edit, I miss the mistakes. I miss the stuff I should have cut out. I've put up videos on this channel where I forgot to put in the background music because I was trying to rush to get it done. So take breaks. go through it. Like normally what I'll do a lot of times is before I do the final run through, I will take a break, relax a little bit, come back, and then I will go through the video on the final run just to verify I haven't missed any mistakes. Because that's one of the things you can do when you're sitting there just trying to get done, is you miss mistakes. So I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, hit record, hit upload. Thanks for watching. This is Creator Hardware.